Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Connecting your brand new Y68 Smartwatch 2025 to your smartphone is surprisingly simple. This guide will help you link your device quickly so you can start enjoying its features right away. First, always make sure your Y68 watch has a full charge. This prevents connection interruptions. Then, head to your phone's app store and download the Fit Pro Connect application. It is the only official app for a smooth and secure setup. Before you dive into the pairing, a few quick checks ensure success. First, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone and place your Y68 watch very close to it. This proximity is key for a stable connection. Next, temporarily disable any other Bluetooth devices nearby, like headphones or other smart devices, as they can sometimes interfere. Lastly, close all unnecessary background applications running on your phone. This frees up resources and makes the connection process much smoother. Now, let us begin the actual pairing. Open the Fit Pro Connect app on your smartphone. At the very bottom of the screen, you will find and tap on the Set option. From there, locate and select the phrase, Bind Device to experience more features. Your app will then automatically start searching for nearby Y68 watches. Once your Y68 2025 appears in the list, simply tap on it to start the connection process. After tapping your watch model, you might see a confirmation pop-up appear on your Y68 watch screen. Be sure to accept that pairing request directly on your watch. Back on your phone, the Fit Pro Connect app will display a clear connected status once the link is successful. Congratulations, your Y68 is now paired. You are ready to personalize your device, adjusting notifications, choosing watch faces, and exploring all its intelligent features. If you encounter any connection issues, do not worry, there are simple fixes. First, try restarting both your smartphone and your Y68 watch completely. This often resolves minor glitches. If problems persist, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Fit Pro Connect app, but remember this is a last resort. Finally, always check for and install any available firmware updates for your watch within the app. Staying updated ensures the best performance and compatibility for your Y68.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.